We have garlic smashed potatoes, red potatoes with Tillamook cheddar, buttermilk, garlic, salt, pepper, and butter. It is delicious. Dine with Devin. Tell me how you're going to make this better in the comments below. I'm coming in with a spoon. You saw me taste them earlier, but now let's give it a try. Here they are. Look at these. They're chunky, cheesy, garlicky. These are smashed potatoes, not mashed potatoes. Even though I know what this tastes like, I'm gonna give it a try so you can see here. Look at that cheese. Oh, those potatoes have the garlic that really comes through. I can taste it strong. I love garlic. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, the buttermilk, Tillamook cheese. Delicious. Those potatoes are cooked just perfectly, nice and soft, chunky, smashed garlic potatoes. Want to see the next one? Right up there.